easy.
I was reading about this since you brought up this specific thing होइन म अस्ति मैले पढिरहेको थिएँ यसको बारेमा लिज्जत भन्ने पापड रहेछ क्या
Correct.
मलाई थाहा थिएन यसको बारेमा होइन मैले खाएको थिएँ यो एउटा बच्चाको फोटो छ यसको अगाडि होइन मैले खाएको थिएँ यो तर मलाई थाहा थिएन यो एक्ज्याक्टली के हो भनेर अस्ति मैले पढ्दै थिएँ यसको बारेमा भारतमा चाहिँ अफकोर्स वेन इन्डिया गेन इन्डिपेन्डेन्स एन्ड थिङ्स स्टार्टेड मुभिङ अलङ होइन
So
अफकोर्स
the mothers group came together.
हो द मदर्स ग्रुप केम टुगेदर एन्ड द मदर्स ग्रुप कति एकजना चाहिँ एकदमै फोरफ्रन्टमा त हुँदो रहेछ
Knowledgeful, correct.
ओहो अनि त्यसपछि चाहिँ ओहो तिनीहरूको त्यहाँ बच्चा र खरायो होइन अनि अनि अरू आमाहरू पनि सँगै आएर चाहिँ
But this is still a modern look.
हो पुरानो छ
The prano is still the old one.
होइन योभन्दा पुरानो खोज है लिज्जत पापडको त्यो पुरानो छ होइन अनि मलाई ऊ त्यहाँ तल छ क्या अरे ऊ त्यो तलको होइन गो राइट गो फुल राइट हो आई बिलिभ यो हो कि यो हो कि यो हो कि अर्को छ एनिवेज बिस्तारै 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 गर्दा चाहिँ भारतभरिको आमाहरूले चाहिँ यो पापड बनाउन थालेछन्
Correct, correct.
होइन सच अ फ्यान्टास्टिक
And this is happening in Nepal.
एक्ज्याक्टली
The pickles, amako achar, didi baini achar. You hear so many things. Dalle khorsaniko achar, lopsiko achar. And what they do, the lapsi season is only 1 month or 2 months. So they freeze it and make achar every month. So round the year now you get lapsiko achar. Whereas 10 years ago or 15 years ago, you will only get into winter.
एक्ज्याक्टly
So things are changing.
Things
and
are completely-
this cannot be stopped. But how cannot be stopped?
it has to grow
It
needs-
is growing. It is growing. It has to grow. It is growing. It has to grow. And it has taken its speed now. It is traveling into highway. It is on the roads now. Very difficult to stop. Okay, there will be barrier. The pace will be slow. The speed will be less. But ultimately they will arrive somewhere.
everybody keeps saying that Nepali market is small
Indeed,
small
Indeed.
Nepali market is small. Nepali market is small. I look at, for example, since we're talking in this in the same page, we've got. I'll give you an example. Himalayan Java. I love the model of Himalayan Java. I know the owners. They've done a fantastic job. Now, who would have thought that हामी at least Metropolitan मा बसेर हामी कफी पिउँछौँ भनेर
Correct.
कसरी सोचेको त थिएन होला
10 years ago, I even didn't believe it. Never thought of.
होइन कि हामी बसेर चाहिँ कफी पिउँछौँ होला अहिले हिमालयन
And now
जाभा
see the way Gagan has done.
Exactly. He's done a fantastic job. He's done a great job. I'll give you an example of Dolly.
Dolly, yes.
We can talk about so many different things. Roadhouse, for example, as well. We can talk about thousands of businesses, hundreds of businesses that have succeeded in that scale.
Bajagu Sekua,
Exactly. And
Yasar Gumba,
they're all growing.
this Timur.
They're all growing. They're all growing. And
And
every time,
very interestingly, what I have felt in last 3 years, the non-residents Nepali, which are globally, who have some knowledge of agriculture, are coming back here and do farming here. One is very close by, Muna, from your office. It's one of the best examples. They have started doing this.
the organic farmers. We have so many different. So there's okay. So we've got old family-run businesses which are growing, and then we've got young entrepreneurs without any backup,
Correct.
without any cushion, who just have a vision. That okay, मैले यस्तो गरेँ भने चाहिँ मैले सक्छु. मैले यसरी गरेँ भने चाहिँ म अगाडि बढ्न सक्छु होला. Now, let's talk about this. A lot of entrepreneurs, a lot of friends who are watching right now, who are listening to us right now, want to go ahead and start a business as well, right? It's good to have family backing. But without having a cushion, trying to run a business or start a business, that is also going to be very difficult, but that is also a perfect way to go ahead and learn the hard way. What's your take on having a cushion and not having a cushion?
Well, not having a cushion is an economy of competitiveness. Having a cushion is an economy of comparative advantage. You have a comparative advantage of support of your family or business roots. Whereas the competitive is that, okay, with the lowest cost, I can sell coffee. I can prepare dalle achar and pack it and sell it. I can prepare lizard papad and sell it. I can prepare furundana, okay, pack it and sell it. And many households are doing. Some of my friends, these ladies, they form a small group. Maiju, Bhanji, Bhatija, Bhadai, Bhauju, Nanda, Ama Chori, Nanda Bhauju, and they go to India. They collect lot of boutique items, bringing by plane by paying cost of the transport, air transport, and then they have their own shop. They sell it, and the shop belongs to them, so that the rental cost is lowest, you know. And then this is how they share profit, and everybody is prospering.
Is the government making money through this, taxing it?
Yes.
Hmm.
There is a Bansar, there is a VAT, there is income tax, there are things, but this is still an informal sector. It is not regulated sector.
When you think about, I meet a lot of entrepreneurs. I'll give you a few examples. There's a friend of mine who makes shoes. 10 years ago, nobody would have thought that a Nepali entrepreneur would make shoes that would sell in the market in a premium price. His name is Ahmed Dullah, and he has stores in major metropolitan cities of Nepal, and he's selling fantastic, amazing handmade shoes in Nepal. There you go. That's him. That's a good friend of mine.
Wonderful.
There's another friend of mine who is trying to establish his business now. It's called Gorkha Aesthetics. He's trying to make trousers that you can wear, gym wears that you can wear, or sports wears. Amazing fabric that he's importing and, again, employing a lot of people and creating it. Now the thing is, when I talk to both of them, no cushion. Again, I'll come back to this.
Yeah.
If you do not make it happen, if you fail, that's it. That's the end of it. There's no backup.
Exactly. So this is a competitiveness.
Yeah.
He thought that he is competitive enough to produce something with his knowledge. That is his competitive quality.
Yeah.
Sell at a premium price, you know, without cushion. So that is the quality of the entrepreneurs which are coming up now. Can you imagine, in the last 20 years, this volume of entrepreneurs in Nepal has increased by 10,000 percentage.
10,000%.
Percentage. 20 years ago, I can name almost every businessman. And I would know their companies. Today, no, not possible. It has really become, this business itself has become an industry. It's a segment. Nobody is lesser now. Their creativity, their values, the way they add value, the way they create, the way they show their piece of production, they look for the market, they get contact with the consumers, the way they publicize and bring people's knowledge, bring people to their, bring knowledge of the people to their product. You know, I mean, we the big corporates are in fact following them, the way they do marketing in Instagram or Facebook or Twitter or whatever it is, you see. So, I mean, we are learning a lot from them.
Digital is the way. Do you believe in this?
Digital has become now a big mover.
It is the new normal. Back in the day, I don't think anybody would have anticipated that right now the advertisements that we do or try to or the
No, this could be anticipated very well because when we started with the, pre-radio era or pre-print era, you'll just put a small sticker or something handwritten on your shop in New York, 200 years ago. I mean, same thing is now coming digitalized through internet. So it has a lot of linkages. I mean, there is a linkages there.
How do you think we're gonna move money, or what are we gonna? In which aspect do you think we're gonna do financial transactions in the future? What's gonna happen?
QR code, your mobile. Very simple. Nobody's going to carry purse. You'll be purseless. You'll be bagless. Your mobile will carry everything. And in fact, a lot of people are doing this.
If you love what we are doing, make sure that you subscribe and turn on notifications. This program is brought to you by Vyas Studios.